What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Sorry about the video. My lav mic was cutting out because of the fact that the Sony lav mic I was using was too loud. So anyways, let's get to it. So I'm actually comparing the Rode Video Mic Pro with the Comica V30 Pro. As you can see, the Rode Video Mic Pro is smaller than the Comica, and the shock mounts are actually different. So let's get to the comparison. First, we're going to compare the Comica. Right now I have the Comica V30 Pro on the camera. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now I have the Rode Video Mic Pro on the camera at its normal setting, and the in-camera audio is the same levels as the Comica. And I did turn off the low cut filter. Again, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I now have the Comica with the plus 10 dBs on it. Plus 10 dBs. Again, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now I have the mic on plus 10 decibels with the low pass filter on. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And we have the camera again back to the low cut filter on. Again, the Rode Video Mic Pro, low cut filter. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So we're back. I'm still doing the voiceover because of my lav mic. Anyways, the Comica V30 Pro is a directional condenser shotgun video microphone. It's super cardioid, excellent shock absorbing, 10 decibel adjustable sensitivity, and super anti-interference. I haven't used this for any projects yet, but I will be using it for my future projects. It does have a low cut filter. I said in the video that it was a low pass filter, but it's actually a low cut filter. It comes with a wind muff, low self noise, as you can see, and it's easy to install. Again, it's plug and play. It comes with a dead cat that's big, almost big as a cat. This thing you can find on Amazon for $53.99, and you can't go wrong. So the Rode Video Mic Pro takes a 9-volt battery. The Comica takes two AAA batteries, and it has a battery life of 200 hours. It's about 114 grams, and it's a pretty affordable microphone. So if you have a budget and you don't want to spend too much on a microphone, a shotgun mic for your camera, I think this is a great alternative. Though it is kind of big, it's better than not having one. All right, peace.